Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Queen if this is your first time here. Today we're gonna be doing butterfly locks, and the first thing I did was just to take down her parts. She washed her hair and put them in very little parts, twisted them out together, and then I moisturized the hair, combed it out, and now I'm just parting it like regular box braids or knotless braids. So it's going to be medium sized locks. Okay, so after parting, I make sure to comb out all the tangles and stuff like that, and then I use my jam to part the hair. I first of all make her hair is not so long to the length that she wants the locks to be, so I just take out some of the hair I'm using to wrap, which is the Lulu Tress Water Wave hair. I'll just take a little piece from it, use it to braid our hair all the way down to the length I want it to be. And then I crochet in some other part and then I start wrapping. So this part is kind of sped up, but I think around the second line or so, I'm going to like slow the video down to show you a more detailed view of everything and explain more about it. So yeah. She wanted the bottom of this locks to be kind of tight, and then like halfway down or less than halfway down should be kind of distressed and loose. That was the picture she showed me. So yeah, if you watch closely you understand what I mean. So I just keep doing that until I reach the detailed part. So you just keep watching, concentrate, and we're almost there. Thank you guys so much for always checking on me and my videos, commenting, sending your likes, sharing, and what have you. I hope you really learned something from my videos, both my makeup videos and my hair videos. I haven't been posting hair videos in a while now because my tripod broke. So I just got a new ring light recently, and yeah, I'm back here for you guys. So I'm going to focus this a little bit now to show you more closely. If you notice, the first thing after doing the braids, I crochet in the hair and then I fluff it out a little bit on both ends just to make it a little bit more fuller. Then I make sure to drag to have the black, the 1B completely underneath. So when I use it to wrap, the hand I'm using to wrap has the longer part of the black, so I have to wrap like a little bit downwards before the gold comes to show up, if that makes any sense. So I just take like a little piece, like half of what is there, and then wrap. When the black seems to be finished, I take the second piece that still has some black, wrap some more, because the picture she showed me had like more black on the tight side, on the tight end. Then the distressed part had just like the gold. Okay, so I was just trying to like make sure everything was, together. And then when I reach the gold, I just like distress it a little bit by putting my thumb in there or wrapping it more loosely. You could also do it by taking a little piece and wrapping tightly but giving spaces, like jumping spaces of 1 inch, 1 centimeter or something like that, to give it a more loose look and it falls more freely. That way you don't have to do much to make the hair lay down flat when you're done. But if you just watch closely to see what I'm doing, I'm sure you understand. And the most difficult part in making locks, usually butterfly locks, is the tip. How do you finish the tip? Do you burn it? Do you do what? So usually when you get towards the tip, because the hair you use can tangle very easily, it helps you prevent tying it or gluing it or whatever. So when you reach the tip, you can just divide the hair and start wrapping it all the way back up, and take the remaining hair and wrap it all the way back up, so everything is secured and it doesn't come out anymore. So I'm not going to be doing so much of talking. I'm just going to let you watch till the end of the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that for more content, more videos on hair and makeup. Thank you very much. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support, for your encouragement. I really love you guys. Thank you. Just taking out time to have clean parts and then continue. So enjoy the video. See you later.